If you have been looking for a tool to create marketing materials or even fashion models, then there is one tool that you can use to do all that, and this is called Pic Copilot. This is one of the best tools out there that you can use to create marketing materials for advertisement. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create models, how you can create your marketing material using this free to use AI tool. Now, look at these images. For instance, we have a cloth here. We have these full clothes here. I'm going to show you how to get a model to wear these clothings like this one and this one. As you can see, they are all wearing the same clothings, but they are models you have just created. We have just created these models without having to pay them to wear and market your clothes. And you can see how the outfits comes out well on these models. Also, I'm going to show you how you can take your model and transform her in different environments. For instance, I have this model. As you can see here, she's advertising these clothes. So if you have one model and you want her to appear in different hairstyle, in different skin tone, in different background, like I have just done here, I'm also going to show you exactly that. I'll ask you to please watch up to the end of this video so that you don't miss any step. So my name is Isaac and welcome to A Minute with AI. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go to their website, which is piccopilot.com. Here you'll have to create a free account. So I'll just sign up with my Google account. And here we go. So this is a free account. And with the free account, you'll get 50 credits. And then we have a subscription of $8.99. And then we also have the $3.99 plan that you can also subscribe to. So let's just try out our free plan and see what we can achieve. Now, for instance, I want us to try out this AI model. I'm going to show you how you can create your virtual AI model to market your clothings. So I'll click on this. Now to do this, you're supposed to click here and select the type of clothing that you want to try out. So this is a top. You can choose the bottom, and we also have the full outfit, and we have the one pieces. If it is one piece, it means this is a one piece dress outfit. So I'll upload this dress and then this tool will fit it on a model. So before we upload our dress that I've just shown you, there is one thing you have to know. The outfit should meet these specifications, and these are some of the criteria. As you can see, the ticks and the X's. So make sure that you take the photo. If you are taking the photo of the outfit, you take it in this manner, any of this manner. So let's go ahead and upload our outfit here. And here we go. Just give it a moment and it will be loaded. Now the good thing is this tool will go ahead and remove the background. Now that we have uploaded our dress, let's go ahead and click on confirm upload. Our model has been uploaded and here it is. If you wish to change the image, click on change image. Now here's the interesting part. You have now to choose here the model that you want to pose with your dress. Now you can choose up to 4 models to try out your outfit. So just sample out these models and choose one of them. So before you choose, you have to select the gender of the model. For our case, this is a female. So we have the female models that are available are here. So the first model I'll try out on this. Let me select this one. Let me deselect this. Now let me also choose this one. So we want to try our outfit on these 2 models. You have an option to choose up to 4. I'll just go with the 2. Now, if you look on top right corner, you can see you have 50 coins. When we create, we shall utilize 1 coin. Go ahead and click on create now and give it time. So let's wait for it. And it is done. Now you can see how our 2 models have come out with the outfit. Wow, this is quite nice. And you can see how it went ahead and customized. There is a pouch here to match the dress. I also like how it portrayed this. It went ahead and added the other regalias on the hand just to match the dress. I'm actually surprised by the quality and the outcome that this tool is able to give. So these are the 2 models that we have just created. Once you have created your model, it's time to download them. To download them, just go ahead and click on the download. Let's download the first one. And here we go. It will go straight to our computer. And then the next one also, click on download. and it will go straight to our computer. And look at that. Now, one advantage of this tool is that there is no watermark, and therefore you are free to use this model for your advertising without any watermark. So the two images, as you can see them, they are quite presentable. So if you have another outfit, take the photo of your outfit and then go out and try it. Now, the next creation I want to show you is how you can create your AI fashion model to mimic various characters such as the environment, hairstyle, and even skin tones. So to get started with this, click on AI fashion models. And then we have to upload our image here. Here we shall upload an image of a model wearing our outfit or a dummy. As you can see here, we have either a real person or dummies. As you can see, we have X on the last three. The acceptable ones are the first two. So let's go ahead and upload the image of a model. So I have my model here. This is the model I want us to use. And let's see how we can transform this model into various characteristics, various scenes, various hairstyles, and environment. So I'll go ahead and upload my model. You to upload, just drag and drop the model and it should be done. So once you have uploaded your model, go ahead and click on confirm upload. You can go ahead and if you want to change the image and click on change, but if you are okay with what you have uploaded, go ahead and select edit selection area. Now this will give us much control to select the areas that we want to keep and also to unselect the areas that we don't want to keep. So for instance, you're told click keep to select area that remains unchanged and click cancel to deselect areas. So we have the two options are here. If you click the save, you keep. If you deselect, you remove. So to do that, just point on the area you want to keep. For instance, we want to keep the outfit only. I'll select on the dress, and as you can see, the area we are keeping is this. If you still need to maintain any of the areas, go ahead and click on it to maintain. For instance, if you just want to add the hairstyle, to maintain the hairstyle, you can click on the hairstyle, and as you can see, the hairstyle will be added. I don't want us to keep the hairstyle, so I'll deselect it. I'll remove the hairstyle, and then from here we shall go ahead and click on confirm. Now once you have clicked on confirm, now you have to go ahead and select your model. Now there are options here. We have the free models. These ones we shall not, our credits will not be used. But if we select the non-free one, then this tool will use our credits to generate our outcome. So I'll stick with the free ones. Because it's a lady, I'll go with the ladies. So I'll try first. Let's try with this. So select the model you want. The next thing we want to select is the hair color. So let's leave it as at default. With the other creations, we shall try different color. And now here we have to choose the background. So for this case, let's choose streets. So once you're done, go ahead and click on create now. And the creation is underway. And here we go. Our creation is done. So the environment is different. The skin tone is also different from the face to the legs. And indeed the background is different. You will receive two creations, as you can see. And you can compare the previous one and the latest one. If you click here, you can see the change. This was the original, this is the creation for the first image. And if we choose the second image, you can see this was the original and this is the new creation. This was the original, this is the new creation. Great. So to download, just select the image here and then click on download function, which is this, and our image will go straight to our computer. Now the next thing we want to change is the model. We want to choose now this model. Let's try with the brown hair. So the hair color, I'll choose brown. So let's go and choose the indoors option and see how that comes out. So those are the variables that I want to apply to our image. So let's go ahead and click on create now and see how that comes out. Now look at that. Here is our model. As you can see, the model we chose was black. The model tried to mimic the black skin tone, and the same applies to the second image, as you can see here. So let's compare the original. If you look at the original, that was the original, and the creation, I think we can see the change. The original and the creation, the original, and the creation. For the second image, the same, the original and creation. So you can see the difference between these two. Both are indoors, but the background is not the same. You can see there is a sort of shadow or curtains in the background, whereas this looks like a hard concrete wall. So let's go ahead and also download this. And the good thing is it is free, so you can download as many as you want so that you can use them in your marketing campaigns. Let's go ahead and choose the next variables. I'll go with this character now. On the hair color, let's choose blonde. Here we go. On the background scene, let's place her at the cost and see how this comes out, and let the rest remain the same. And now let's go ahead and click create now. And here we go. And now look at that. This is so nice. You can see the changes. Wow. I like this. So look at the original and look at our creation. You can clearly see the difference. Second image. Let's look at the original and let's look at the creation. So you can see our model has been placed on the show. This is a coastal surrounding, and indeed that came out well. So let's again go ahead and download this. Great. So go out and try out with various models. Go out and try out with the dresses or your clothings and dress them to models and see how that comes out. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to watch more videos. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.